Hi, and thanks for showing an interest in the 3 C's of Human Motivation Workshop. If you're a manager and you're trying to figure out how to motivate some of your staff who are not really very motivated, this is the workshop for you. If you're someone who yourself is struggling with motivation some days in the environment in which you work, this one's going to help you out. Really, when you look at it, there are 3 ways that humans are motivated. One of them is by competition, the next is by collaboration, and the third is by curiosity. And of course, you're a mix of all those three, but you have preferences for one more than the other. Once you understand these 3 C's, what you can now do is help people to create conditions under which they're more motivated at work, which creates more success, it creates more joy in the work, it creates more persistence, more creativity. All sorts of great things happen when people are motivated at work. This workshop teaches you exactly how to motivate yourself and others at work by doing things that you have control and influence over. It also helps you to understand that, like any good thing in your life, if you overdo it, there's downsides to that. So in other words, there's downsides to being too competitive or too curious or too collaborative. So in this workshop, you'll learn how to find the sweet spot of your C and others' C. I'm looking forward to having you come on the workshop and learn how to use this fantastic tool. Take care and have a great day.